a good radar to look at. Like I said, we really don't have the best radar coverage over here, but we do got ourselves a tornado warning, which does include Taconite Harbor. Let's see here. I have no idea how you say that one. Schroeder, I think it is. And see, Tofty. You guys are under the tornado warning here as well. So for the first one we talked about, we have 10 minutes to go. That observed tornado warning out there by Bay Lake, Riverton, Mission, and Breezy Point. We got 10 minutes left on that one. And the one up here in the northeastern side, also we have 10 minutes left on that. Also, ping pong ball hail with that warning as well is certainly possible. So we'll have to keep an eye out there for that. What's up, Kit? Hope you're doing good. What's up, Tabletop? Ponderosa, Kyle. What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's doing good. Everybody in the chat and everyone who's not in the chat as well. Hope everyone's doing well. Let's see. We got a couple. Also, a couple severe thunderstorm warnings. We actually have a severe thunderstorm warning heading towards Duluth. You can actually see that storm is tracking in that general direction to the southeast here towards the town of Duluth. So, you know, I would keep an eye out there for that. My Duluth people out there, Duluth, Minnesota, heads up to you guys as we are going to be seeing ourselves a pretty strong storm heading that way. They do have a tornado possible tag on that storm, as well as also ping pong ball hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts being a possibility. No immediate danger of a tornado. Tornado possible tag just means that, you know, this storm could eventually go tornadic, so we'll definitely need to watch out there for it. Let me take a look at velocity here. We're going to take a look and see what's going on in that storm. I don't really see any rotation going on with it, but we should keep an eye on this little area here. It's not really rotating, but like I said, given the fact that it is a tor possible tag, it means that eventually this thing could go tornadic, and that's probably where that activity would start. Let's see here. Yeah, we really don't have... We need a radar, like, right in... right where the severe thunderstorm warning's at. It would be much, much better. Also got a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Melrose, Minnesota, Greenwald. This includes Little Sock and Long Prairie. You guys are under that severe thunderstorm warning. Then we hop over here towards, I think Sioux City is included. Just south of Sioux City. Out there in Iowa. We got ourselves a group of severe thunderstorm warnings out there by, like, Salix, Lutton. Let's see, also out there by, like, Whitney and Grant Center. You guys do have ourselves a severe thunderstorm warning in place here as well. This is for ping pong ball hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So, just a bit of a heads up for you. So the one out there by Climbing Hill, Otto, or Lutton area, that's for $half hail. And the one down here towards, like, Whitting and Grant Center, that's for ping pong ball hail. So the storm's ranging between 1.25 to 1.5 inches in diameter regarding hailstones. And speaking of that confirmed tornado warned cell, we got another report there of another report of 1.5-inch hail, which that is ping pong ball hail. Getting lots of reports of hail near Cross Lake, Minnesota. And a bit of a heads up, that's heading towards Trommel and Cuyuna, as well as, let's see, Aitkin, Deerwood, Crosby, and Riverton. So heads up for you guys. Once again, we do have a tornado on the ground here. Damaging tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Tornado has been observed. Let's see here. Tornado will be near Crosby, Deerwood, and Cuyuna around 6:35 Central. So that's already passed at this point. So heads up to you guys. Let's see here. My place has had 5 tornadoes in the past week. 2/5 touchdown. Well, wow, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. Well, hopefully you'll get out of that bad luck here soon. That's just crazy. Let's hop over to the SPC outlook real quickly. We're gonna take a look and see what is going on over there. So here's our latest outlook regarding severe weather for today. We got an enhanced risk up there for northeastern Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin. We got ourselves a 5% chance out there for tornadoes. So that's where our greatest potential of activity is going to be. We got ourselves a 2% risk here, so the tornado probability in general is going to be out there in northern Iowa, eastern South Dakota, northeastern North Dakota, pretty much the entire state of Minnesota, western Wisconsin, you guys are in that tornado threat overall. So, but yeah, the greatest probability for tornadoes today will be up in northeastern Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin. Damaging winds, we got ourselves a 30 non-sig threat. Potential out there for some damaging wind gusts, probably between 60 and 70 miles an hour being possible. Northwestern Wisconsin, and as well as kind of east central Minnesota. We do got ourselves, here, let me go ahead and fix something real quickly.
A new tornado warning has been issued.
We do got ourselves, oops, didn't mean to move all that now. So yeah, 30% chance out there between 60 and 70 mile per hour wind gusts being possible. 15% chance, lower probability across the yellow. Still a decent shot out there for some damaging winds. And then, of course, we have the 5% region, which is the lowest end potential for damaging wind gusts. You know, chances are pretty low, but they cannot be ruled out. In terms of hail, though, that's where things get a little crazy out there. We got ourselves a hatch risk for hail, a really big threat for hail today. So that black netted area, we have the potential of seeing over 2 inches of hail in diameter. So we are talking some pretty large hail here for today. The maximum hail that we've already seen so far from this event is, I believe, 2.5 inches. This is reported out there in north central Minnesota. But yeah, the greatest potential for hail today will be up in the northeastern side of Minnesota, where that enhanced risk is located. Also, northwestern Wisconsin, we got ourselves a 30% chance out there for large hail. And of course, that hatch risk here with the lower probability does extend a bit more to the south, including areas like eastern South Dakota. You guys will be at risk for some large hail as well. So that is the overall outlook here for today. We do get ourselves a little marginal in southern Florida. A couple isolated tornadoes are possible with a little bit of cyclonic activity regarding an invest that we have out there. We are currently watching the tropics here. We got ourselves an invest that's rolling off the peninsula of Florida, which later on down in time might have the potential of developing into a tropical depression, although the expectancy is quite low right now. Anyways, all right, let's hop on back to the radar. We just got a new tornado warning, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and hop on back over here. So a new tornado warning extension warning has been issued to include, so once again, this is in north central Minnesota we're talking about, out there by Crosby. We have Cuyuna, Aitkin, as well as now including Glenn. Glenn and Garrison, you guys are now under the tornado warning, so heads up for you guys as, we now are in the danger here of that potential tornadic activity. Rotations located, it looks like you're just northwest of Cuyuna, with that latest radar scan there. Once again, the radar coverage here is not the best per se, but it is, at least it's something. But yeah, we can see that there is a bit of rotation located here kind of north of Trommel in that general area. Is it raining out? It is raining. It's pouring us. So yeah, Trommel, Cuyuna, Crosby, Deerwood, and Aitkin. You guys need to be in